I want to share this fun little project with you. Look at this cute little milk carton container. You can put candies in it. This one is focused on nurse appreciation, but you can use any paper and put any candies in it and make an adorable little gift. So I want to show you how I use the score tool to make this.
We're going to start this project out by trimming our paper to be 10.5 inches by 8 inches. Then we'll take it over to our scoreboard tool, put the long end across the top, and we are going to score at 2.5 inches, 5 inches, 7.5, and 10 inches. Then we're going to rotate our paper 90 degrees counterclockwise and score at 3/4 inch, 2.25 inch, and 6 inches. Then we'll turn our paper back around to how we originally started it, and we are going to score at 3 3/4 inch, and we're going to go down 3/4 inch till we meet that horizontal line, and we'll do it again at 8 3/4 inch. Next we'll grab our scissors and we are going to cut that bottom right corner and the top right corner, as well as cutting the slit up along each of the bottom flaps. Next, we're going to take our paper and fold along all of the score marks to make creases. This is going to make it easier to fold it all together. Then we're going to take out our 1/4 inch score tape and put tape down that right flap as well as 3 of the tabs along the bottom. You're going to leave one without score tape on it, so that can be the bottom flap. Then you'll remove the tape from that right flap, fold the box together, and then start removing the tape from the bottom flaps and create the bottom of the box. Then we'll move to the top of the box. We are going to fold in where we made those 2 score lines, and we are going to pinch it all together to create the top of the milk carton. Now that the box is all assembled, we're going to move on to making it pretty. So we're going to use a clothespin to hold it shut. So we're going to use that fun heart paper and cover the clothespin in that and secure it with score tape. Then we're going to fill our box with candies, staple the top shut, and then put that cute little clothespin on it. Then we're going to go back to that heart paper, cut a strip that's 3/4 inch by 10.5 inches and score it at 2.5 inches, 5 inches, 7.5 inches, and 10. And that's just going to help us wrap it around the milk carton better. Then you'll put score tape on the back of that and adhere it to the milk carton about 1/2 inch from the bottom. We're going to go back to that heart paper one more time, punch a 2-inch circle out of it, then we'll take a white piece of paper and black ink and stamp "Thank you so much" onto the piece of paper and cut that out with a 1.5 inch circle punch. We're going to glue that "Thank you so much" piece onto our heart circle with score tape, and then we're going to place it underneath the clothespin. And now we've got a fun little thank you container full of treats to give to somebody special.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go over to the Projects tab.